Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you that how you can attack someone in Monopoly Go. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step. Let's get started without wasting any time. Please do not skip the video so you don't miss out any information. So you can see there's this icon of Monopoly Go on my screen. I will click it. After clicking it, it brings me to this home page of mine where I have to roll the dice until I land on a train so I can attack. I will come back after I land on any train. Now here you can see I have landed on a train and now I can attack anyone. I can switch opponents, I can take revenge from random players who have attacked on me, or I can attack my friends. For that you have to add some friends to your Monopoly Go game. Right now I can go and attack some random player and take my revenge who has already attacked me. I have these three options of attacking. I can attack this town hall, and now you can see that I have attacked my opponent and I can collect cash reward. I hope this was an easy process and you understood it, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.